Deep in space, there is dust and gas. We call this a stellar nebula. Gravity pulls the dust and gas together and we get a baby star formed. This baby star we call a protostar. That's before it starts to shine, when we call it a main sequence star. That main sequence star will burn for about 10 billion years if it's the same size as our sun, and then it will expand outwards into a red giant, engulfing all the inner planets. Then finally it will sink down to a white dwarf, and finally it will go out and stop burning altogether, and it's then called a black dwarf. If our star is much bigger than our sun, it's a big star. It will only burn for about 10 million years. Then it will form a red supergiant. That red supergiant will be so big it will explode into a supernova. Bang! Then finally it will shrink down, and all that you've got left is a neutron star or a black hole. All the dust and gas that was flung off into the supernova will eventually come back, and we'll end up with a new stellar nebula, and the whole cycle starts again.